guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a huge American 790 padlock from kind Jerry Welsh. It's the bitting on the key. I've got the camera and the light in a different position because it's very difficult to pick this lock with the camera sort of between. Key retaining. This locks back up. I'm going to use top of the keyway. This tension wrench. It is very light tension. Once I've got that in there, I just want to draw it back a little bit so it does not bind on the first pin. Vice is going to wobble a little bit due to the weight of this monster. See how we get on. Dropped into a false set there. There you go. Vice was wobbling a little bit, so it was difficult to counter rotate. So that's a video of single pin picking the big chunky American 790 padlock. Not sure if I'm going to gut this afterwards because I'll probably make a bit of a pig's ear of it, so to speak. So if you are newbies to lock sport, guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.